ये आपका जो लुक है ना, स्पेशली बिंदी इज़ वेरी कॉमन, बट मुझे रिसेंटली अक्षय कुमार के फेस पे भी ये बिंदी दिखी थी। सो सीधा देखकर वो भी एक लक्ष्मी मूवी जो आई थी वो भी याद आता है। और उसके लिए काफ़ी एक अच्छा प्रमोशनल चीज़ भी निकाला गया था, जो लोग बिंदी लगाकर और सपोर्ट कर रहे थे। सो हैव यू एवर डन दिस और यू थॉट ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग कि इस तरह से कुछ प्रमोशनल चीज़ें होनी चाहिए जो कैरेक्टर को सपोर्ट करें?
नहीं, I don't. Okay, I wouldn't do that kind of a promotion.
Okay.
Because what we have tried to do here, I don't know whether we're successful, is to stay as far away from stereotyping as possible. So Boris is also वो योद्धा भी है, so you see him as a warrior. Yes. He has a sword, he has armor, but also whenever he feels like he dresses whichever way he wants. तो जब इनफैक्ट लक्ष्मी जब आई थी, वी वर शूटिंग एंड वी वर थिंकिंग कि शुड वी यूज द बिंदी और नॉट, क्योंकि लक्ष्मी हैज यूज्ड द बिंदी एंड यू नो, बट देन वी से कि एवरी स्टोरी हैज इट्स ओन लाइफ एंड इट्स ओन जर्नी. लक्ष्मी भी आएगी, इंटरनेट पे रहेगी, ये भी रहेगा. इट डजंट मीन दैट वी हैव टू डू बिकॉज दे डिड और डिडंट डू और यू नो थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो यूजिंग small aspects to promote it, you know, like a bindi. A bindi is not, जैसे हमने कहा, we want to reach the human element. Bindi has nothing to do with the human element. It's just something that they may or may not wear. Somebody may or may not wear. Women also may or may not wear. It's up to them. So that has nothing to do with the person. He may or may not wear a binda. He calls himself. He also refers to himself as him. लेकिन जब वो बात करते बोलते मैं मर्द नहीं हूँ. But he refers to himself as him. So there is that kind of, I won't say confusion, but openness about the ideas. Like anybody, I can call myself her also, but is it important? I don't know. So the bindi also to me is not important. It's just he wore it. It's not in all the scenes. In some of the scenes. Okay. So jewelry depends. So we discussed that for each scene, depending on the mood. How would he dress? At the if there's a wedding, how would he dress? If he was fighting, how would he dress? If he's training somebody to fight, how would he dress? And he dresses according to what he wants. It's his expression. Okay. His dressing is his expression. It is not a stereotype. You know? So you will see also, I think, even in the scenes, the way he behaves like a human being. His expression is different, but he's a human being. So you will see a whole range of situations that Boris is in, and a whole range of emotions that Boris feels.
That's great. So now look has been changed completely.
It has. कल रात को ही मैंने सारे बाल काट दिए. I'm missing it actually. It feels like कहाँ गए? Yeah. और तब दाढ़ी भी नहीं थी, अभी दाढ़ी है.
अच्छा. So feeling like better और बालों के साथ सही था या अभी सही है?
No, I like long hair.
Okay.
मुझे पसंद है. In fact, the lockdown was an opportunity to grow my hair. सबने बाल लंबे किए, सबने दाढ़ी नहीं काटी. But I've done quite a bit of work in the last 4-5 महीनों में. लंबे बालों के साथ मैंने काफ़ी काम किया. And now I am doing some more work that required me to have short hair. तो ऐसा भी काटना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
पापी पेट का सब.